Hi, today we're going to talk about SaaS Development Budget Tracker, where you can track your budgeting for the SaaS development business. So let me quickly show you the template, but before that, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a view of the screen. So this is the particular template that we're talking about. In this template, it helps you define your expenses and manage your expenses for the SaaS development. First of all, we have got a category section which shows the different categories for the particular expense. And then underneath every category, we have a budgeted expense value and the actual expenses. Actual expenses are being pulled from the expenses table at the bottom, which we'll be discussing in a while. And for the budgeted expense, you can click on any of these values and define your own budgeted expense value, and everything else will update. We also have a percentage indicator which defines how much of actual expenses has been incurred in comparison to the budgeted expense. Finally, if you want to edit any of the category, click on this pencil icon and you can define your own category for your requirement. And if you want to add a particular category, you can click on this new page and you can add a category as well. If you want to delete any of these categories, click on this three dot and click on delete. The category will be deleted for your requirement. And finally, at the bottom, we have the expenses defined over here. You can simply click on any of these amounts, and as you update, all the expenses at the top will also update as per that. So I'm just quickly typing out some of the values, and you can see everything is getting updated as I'm typing out the values at the same moment. And finally, in the summary section, you can see the total budgeted expense. This is nothing but the sum of the budgeted expense amount that was set earlier. And then actual expenses are being pulled from the table at the bottom. We can see the difference of between a surplus or deficit. And finally, the percentage indicator, which shows how much of actual expenses was incurred compared to the budgeted expense. So this is the entire template in nutshell. If you need any customization to this template in any way possible, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.